Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove zoom in iPhone. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Zoom, and toggle zoom off to return to normal view. If your screen is stuck zoomed, use 3-finger double tap to quickly toggle zoom while you follow these steps. I will also show how to adjust zoom region, maximum zoom level, and useful shortcuts so you can fix this fast and avoid accidental zoom. If you prefer shortcuts, set the accessibility shortcut to zoom so a triple click of the side or home button toggles zoom instantly. You can tailor the zoom region and maximum magnification level to match your comfort and screen size. The zoom controller lets you drag the magnified area and perform precise taps. These options reduce accidental zooming and speed up correction when your display gets stuck or overscaled. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with great sound and voice control, and it pairs nicely with smart home routines for hands-free fixes while you troubleshoot. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your setup. Now let's get back to the video. When zoom keeps acting up, start with a 3-finger double tap to toggle it off quickly and safely. If the controls are unresponsive, restart your iPhone to reset temporary glitches and retest the zoom setting. As a last resort, reset accessibility settings to clear any problematic customizations while keeping most data intact. These steps usually resolve persistent zoom issues without needing a full device reset or support visit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.